Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have some new headlight bulbs, I should say, for the 6.0. So y'all know probably 6-8 maybe 10 months ago, Auxito actually sent over some headlight bulbs for this truck that they wanted me to test out and everything. Well, they reached out again and we have another set. Now these are a upgrade over what I have right now. So I can get this package open real quick. I will show y'all what they have sent over. So these allegedly are supposed to be more of like a OEM halogen bulb style pattern. They're supposed to have a more defined cutoff line and all kinds of stuff. So here we have them. Now these are wireless, which is also kind of nice. So we're gonna get these installed in the truck, and well, here in a bit when it gets dark, I will come out here and we're going to test that theory and see if they do in fact have a more defined cutoff line and all that type of thing. So I guess without further ado, we'll get down here, we'll throw these things in and see what we think. Alright guys, I wanted to interrupt this video real quick to throw something in there. So the video I just finished up showing the night clips of them, and I will say the low beams on these are pretty impressive for LED bulbs, but stay tuned to the end of the video to see that. But I did want to throw in here real quick, down in the description below there will be an affiliate link, and I believe, if I remember correctly, a discount code that y'all can use to, if I remember correctly again, save you 15% off of your order with Auxito. And to be completely transparent with y'all, I do get a little kickback off of that if y'all do use that link. So anyway, like I said, I wanted to throw that in here real quick. But again, down in the description there will be a link, and I believe a discount code, if I remember right. It'll save y'all some money, and again, I get a little kickback off of that. So if you want to cop yourself a set of bulbs and help out your boy, I do appreciate it. But anyway, let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so I got the old headlight out of this side. Actually, my grandpa did. His hands fit in here a little better than mine. I'm trying to show y'all. But you can come through here. You can see there you go. Right down in there is the bulb. So I fully intended to have to take these out, but luckily I was looking at it and I don't think we're going to. The driver's side's a little tighter because of the power steering fluid reservoir. It's kind of right here in the way, like right behind the bulb, but I think he's going to be able to get it. So the thing that is a bit annoying about taking these headlights out on this truck is you can lower the bumper, which gives you more room. I like the bumper to be tucked up a little more, so every time we pull these out, we loosen the bumper, drop it, take the headlight out, do whatever we're going to do, put it back in and raise the bumper back up. That way there's not a huge gap under the lights, but it's a bit of work to do that. So anyway, we're going to hopefully get this one in. One issue with this truck is the locks here actually are broke off, so we're gonna have to figure out how to make that stay plugged into the new headlight bulb. And anyway, I will show y'all what they look like here in just a moment. Alrighty, so we did get the headlights installed. Now you can turn them on. They are, I mean, they're pretty nice. And they do have a bit more pronounced high beam. Let me do this. All right, you want to hit high beam for me? low beam. So again, they do have a little bit more pronounced high beam. So we will take a look at these tonight. And again, we did get both installed. But we will take a look at these tonight, and we will see how the new and improved headlights look. Alrighty guys, so it is, well, it's now 9 o'clock at night, and it's finally starting to get dark here. But I'm going to back this thing up. I will say, let me turn the fog lights off. So I will say, these do have an amazing cutoff. I'll probably need to readjust these a little bit in the truck, but really nice cutoff, I will say. Now, if back up, I'll back up pretty good ways and show y'all. So mind you, I'm going uphill right now, so if you know, they look out of proportion, that's because where the truck is currently sitting, we are up on a little bit of a mound, and then the driveway dips down. But as you can see, again, an amazing cutoff. Now this is low beams, so if we click over to high beams, we'll show y'all. High beams, not great, I will say. Again, low beam, high beam. And another interesting thing, if we click fog lights on here, the beam of the actual headlight changes, which is very interesting. I don't know why they do that. My last 2 sets of Auxito headlights were kind of the same way. Again, I don't exactly know. On this set, only the passenger side one drops. So again, I'll show y'all here. No fog lights, and then fog lights. So you can see the fog lights come on, and then the headlight beam changes. So I don't quite understand that. Maybe somebody can enlighten me. I know somebody had said something other about the wattage of the fog lights or something or other. When I had my LED fog lights, they might mess with the headlight bulbs if they were on the same frequency or something like that. But now I have the Morimoto XB fog lights. So again, y'all let me know. I know I definitely need to readjust my fog lights, but we got to figure something out about that because my brackets are messed up. Now, I will cut this thing off real quick. Actually, I'm going to switch this around here. So, we're back on low beam. No fog lights. If I look, you can kind of get the idea there. They're pretty good, I will say. I am pretty impressed as far as the cutoff goes. Now, for reference, this is a 30-inch light bar. So, just, you know, again, kind of a little bit of reference there as far as brightness goes and all that type of thing. But as far as the cutoff goes, I'm very impressed. For an LED bulb, especially. I've had several different brands of LED headlights. I've had them in this truck. I had some in the white truck. I had some in the blue truck at some point. And I will say the cutoff on these is very impressive. Nice and crisp. Not quite as crisp as projectors, but for, again, an LED plug and play bulb, they're pretty amazing, I will say. Now again, high beams, not much count, but again, I haven't found an LED that had a great high beam. So anyway, I guess well, I reckon that's it. So there they are. Again, I have an affiliate link that I believe will save you 15%, if I remember correctly. That will be in the top of the description, and I do get a little kickback off of that, just being honest. And I believe we're going to try to work with Auxito and get a set of these for the white truck at some point and see how they do in there. But anyway, guys, with that being said, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. So if y'all enjoyed today's video or possibly found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.